Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing well. Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I've recently tried out and that I've had positive results with. You guys have probably heard of Vagisil before. They're a pretty popular brand for women. They have many different products, creams like anti-itch cream, stuff like that, intimate wipes, intimate gel. New, the scent is new. It's sensitive scents, so it's kind of like a play on words there. Daily intimate wash, so instead of just a regular scent, it's white jasmine, which smells delicious and super pleasant. It is a skin-friendly scent. It's really great for being a daily intimate wash, like it says, but also good as a regular body wash. I mean, it's for females, but I'm sure men could use it too, and that would be fine. I think it's specially formulated for women. For all-day freshness, it's a great product with no dyes, parabens, or MIT preservatives. It's hypoallergenic and pH balanced, plus vitamin E, which is great for softening your skin. It is gynecologist and clinically tested, which is perfect. I think it also helps balance your pH, which could sometimes get out of whack. This is a 1.69 ounce container, 50 milliliters. I just bought the smaller size because what I usually do is if I'm not sure about a product or I haven't tried it yet, I'll definitely try to just buy a trial size so I could try it out and see how I like it. I think they were actually also kind enough to be giving out samples to customers that wanted to try this as well for free, that were curious about it. They actually do sell this in stores and online now. It's really great. I definitely would recommend it to people, and I already have recommended it to friends. This is actually, I like the travel size too because I'm going away, so you know, like sometimes on the plane they only let you have, I think it's like 3 ounces per container for your carry-on bag, so great for travel. Sensitive scents washes are infused with carefully selected scents that are gentle on sensitive, intimate skin. The white jasmine flower is long blooming and alluring. This unique wash is designed to help you feel fresh all day long. No dyes, parabens, or MIT preservatives. Hypoallergenic and pH balanced. Dermatologist and gynecologist tested. Directions for external use only. Pour into hand or washcloth and apply. Rinse thoroughly. So yeah, I use like a warm washcloth and I'll use it that way. To be honest, I just use it as, or I've been using it as like a body wash too, and it works just as well for that. Gives you a nice scent that I notice isn't too overpowering and it lasts a long period of time. The ingredients, we have water, sodium lauryl sulfate, glycerin, lauryl glucoside, sodium chloride, a nobilis flower extract. What else is in here? Lactic acid, propylene glycol. The only thing is, you know, it's not all natural products. So I know like sometimes people want something all natural, but I do feel like it works really well. Warnings, just avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children. Really great brand. And this has been around, Vagisil, for a while. So I guess they just came out with these new scents, and I'm not sure what other scents they have, but I know that I really like this white jasmine. I like the easy top, which I'm sure they have on the larger bottles as well, but this is great. I like that they have this kind of top on the smaller bottle as well, because sometimes they'll just have a regular cap with like a big spout and then it could kind of all pour out at once. This makes for easy pouring, so you could use a little bit and just squeeze it out on a washcloth or just in the palm of your hands and kind of clean yourself that way, or you could use it on a loofah and that works really well too. Clear formula. I'll squeeze a little bit out so you guys could see. It's like clear liquid, a little thick. Put some on my hand so you guys could see. Just clear. It smells so pretty. I love it. It's like so delicate smelling. It just smells really fresh and clean. Definitely something that you could use daily, and it's just overall a really great product, and I'm so glad that I tried it, and I will definitely continue to purchase and refer more women to it because I just think it's great. And the vitamin E, it helps to just make your skin feel so soft and smooth and keeps you feeling fresh and clean all day long, just like the bottle says, because you never know, like sometimes it's like a hot day or something, it's uncomfortable, and you want to use something that's going to make you feel fresh and clean all day and not have to worry about it. So it's Vagisil Scentsitive Scents Daily Intimate Wash White Jasmine, skin friendly scent. I hope you guys found the video useful, and hopefully you try the product out. Have a good one.